How to use Uber Eats schedule group order. First, you want to simply open the Uber Eats application. After that, what you want to do is you want to simply open the restaurant that supports the group orders option. After that, if the restaurant support groups order option, you want to simply tap on one of the order over here, and what you basically want to do is add at least one item to your cart. And once you have done so, you'd be able to see group order over here. You want to simply tap on this group order settings. Here, what you want to do is you want to simply tap on unlock group order over here, and if the option is available, you'd be able to see an option. You'd be able to select the schedule order option. By doing so, you want to simply choose the delivery date and time and share that invitational link with your group. Once you have shared that invitation link, you want to wait for everyone to add their items over there, review the completed orders, and tap on place orders. And by doing so, you would have successfully used schedule group order on Uber Eats. Hope this video was helpful, and if you have any further questions, make sure to leave a comment down below.